It's vague trading strategy, and today I want to be showing you how you can use less than lowest loss size to trade boom crash any indices. Now some of you come asking me in WhatsApp, Telegram that they have a low account, like maybe $10 account or $6 account or $8 account, and they would like to trade boom and cash for long, but the lot size are too, the lowest lot size 0.2 now. So they come asking me, so I want to make this video for all those that advise me and those that don't know how to use less than lower lot size, so at least to secure your little account. Now this crash 1000. Now we'll be buying crash 1000. So let's say this is a demo account. Now let's say, okay, let's just use 0.5 first. You start with 0.5, so you click this button as if you want to close. Now you come to this side. So let's say you want to leave the trade in 0.1, so you close 0.4. You can see now it will be running 0.1 lot, so at least you secure your little account. You can also use any lot size you want. Just follow the procedure. Click here, then come here. Let's say you want to use 0.01, so you close, I think 0.4, no, it's 0. Okay, so you close let's close 0.45. So it's running very free risk. I know crash and boom spikes, they are always so great, so at least you can run your little account in very low and secured risk. So let's do one more. So let's say you want to close this, so any one you want to use, whether 0.1, but most of you like using 0.1 lot size, so you just close 0.4, then you're leaving it in a risk free. So if you don't understand anything, my link is in description, and if you want to join my free group I give signal, there is in description. And if you also want to join my VIP group, my contact details will be in the, so you can DM me for any assistance. Thanks.